Guys, so it just passed Christmas, and I'm collabing. Well, I don't need to really say that, but someone that I know named Blake Cornicle. So he's right here.
Like and subscribe to Blake Cornicle.
And me. Hey, sorry. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you a couple stuff that we might be using in a couple of our videos. Just want to show you guys. So here's one.
And this is his.
That's really cool. So Blake Cornicle, aka Evans, I'll show you the next one. It's gonna really hurt. It's a really cool gun. So, audio part 2. Yeah, like and subscribe. I couldn't do it, so yeah. Bye.